Hello everyone, myself Mrinalini Dange and my roll number is 20CH10039. Today I am going to show you DIY project assignment number 5, Disassembly and Assembly of any home appliance. For this project I have selected a very common house gadget, that is a liquid mosquito repellent. Now we are going to see its components, its working principle and the mechanism. Basically, this machine works on the principle of evaporation of liquid by the consumption of heat provided by the heating element present inside this machine. Now, let us look at the outer portion of this machine. This is very common and simple electronic device made of light plastic. This plastic can withstand the increment of temperature when this machine is in use or in switch on position. Here you can see a small slider. This slider knob is used to regulate the amount of liquid that is to be vaporized. At the top you can see a small aperture. Through this small opening, liquid gets evaporized. At the back you can see a movable plug given here to switch this machine to the electric bolt in vertical as well as horizontal position. At the bottom you can see a refill bottle. This is the liquid refill. It includes mixture of chemicals that primarily includes transfluorethane, a stabilizer and a perfume. All these chemicals are dissolved into deodizer kerosene so that they can be easily vaporized when subjected to temperature. The mixture is toxic as it can cause a variety of reactions such as dizziness, headache, skin allergy, irritation and other physical reactions. Transfluorethane is the most important part of the mixture. It passes through the skin of the mosquito and causes paralysis, making the movement of the mosquito slower. They thus damages the nervous system. At the top of the refill you can see a wick. This wick is only responsible for the carrying of liquid from the bottle towards the heating element. The wick absorbs the liquid inside the bottle and carries it to the topmost part of the machine where the heater is present. The heating element, by absorption of heat, the vapors. This vaporizes the liquid present at the wick and in turn spread this liquid into the room. I am going to disassemble this machine by a small screwdriver. You can here see I have disassembled this machine. This is the bottom portion of the machine. This is the internal structure of the machine. Here you can see a small LED. This is the heating element. Here these two wires are directly coming from the plug and this further divided into 4 wires, 2 of which are coming towards the LED which glows when the machine is in use. And other 2 wires are going towards the heating element. Here with the wire of LED you can see small resistor which registers the flow of current towards the LED. Now I am going to disassemble. I am going to show the internal structure of this heating element. As you can see, this heating element is very small. I don't have appropriate tools to open this element, so I am going to show the internal structure of this element by some photos taken from internet. The image above shows the heating element in the mosquito repellent machine. It is a ceramic positive temperature coefficient thermistor having a hollow metallic cylinder at its center. When heated, the resistance of PTC thermistor increases. Using a PTC is beneficial as it is an efficient and economic solution to serve as an heating element. The minimum temperature required by the PTC to work to its normal value in this case is around 135 degrees Celsius. They are able to reach this temperature in a short span of time, thus increasing a fast response time. The hollow metallic cylinder aids in heating the wick of the refill instantly. Now let us move towards the next part of the machine, which is a thermistor and ceramic shell of heating element. The thermistor has metallic layers over it that allows the wires to solder on it. Let us see the thermistor with wire soldered. The image above shows the positive temperature coefficient of thermistor with the wire soldered on it. To ensure uniform heating, the wires are placed at opposite sides. This was all about the internal structure, mechanism and working principle of liquid mosquito repellent. Thank you.